Hello, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe in your homes. Dear students, in the first part of the lesson, first of our civics, democracy on equality, we have done about the definition of democracy, types of government, goals of democracy, two pillars of democracy, and what is equality. In this part, we will be doing about other forms of inequality and another schemes implemented by the government to bring about equality in the society. To start with, other forms of inequality. The most common form of social inequality is the caste system. It is mainly faced by the people of the rural areas rather than the people living in the urban areas. For years, many of the caste and tribes living in the remote and inaccessible areas are not benefited from the progress made by India. Due to social discrimination, they were not allowed to mingle with the other caste and also they were not allowed to education or jobs and were forced to do menial work. Reformers like Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar and many more tried to end the discrimination and also work for the upliftment of the deprived section of the society. In fact, Article 17 of the Indian Constitution abolishes untouchability. Also, people like Dalits, women, and other minorities are treated unequally. As a result, their dignity is violated. Midday meal scheme. That is, many schemes were implemented by the government to bring about equality, and one of the scheme was midday meal scheme. It is the step taken by the government to promote equality by introduction of national program of nutritional support to primary education. This scheme was first started in India in Tamil Nadu to introduce the scheme. Its positive effects are many, some of which are first, more poor children began enrolling and regularly attending the school. Also, attendance has improved as the children don't go home for lunch. Mothers can work easily now as they don't have to interrupt their work to feed their children. Scheme is helpful in reducing caste distinction as both upper and lower caste have meal together. Women, particularly Dalit and economically disadvantaged sections, have been employed as cook and assistant. Issues of inequality in other democracies. Inequality and struggle to inequality exist in other democratic countries also. For example, in USA, African Americans suffered gross inequality and after a long struggle and agitation against unequal laws and practices led by the leaders such as Rosa Parks and Martin Luther King Jr., the Civil Rights Act was passed in 1964, by which discrimination on the basis of race, religion, or nationality was prohibited. Also, Martin Luther King Jr. received Nobel Peace Prize Award for leading the civil rights movement. Challenges for democracy. No country can be completely democratic. Communities and individuals are always trying to expand the idea of democracy and push for a greater recognition of equality on existing as well as new scheme. Thank you, student. Stay safe, stay blessed.